Today we're working on this 5.9 truck. Came in for some trans service. We ended up getting him a Mishimoto cooler and some AN lines on that as well, and we're doing a coolant bypass on it. We're gonna bypass the heat exchanger, which could potentially fail in the future. This should be a quick and painless install, guys. Let's get into it. So first we got to get it removed. So we got to move the condenser out of the way. We got to get the intercooler out of the way, and the trans cooler will be right behind the intercooler. There she is. So this is just a size comparison of the two coolers. The stock cooler's on top, of obviously, and the cooler underneath is a Mishimoto cooler, and just by looking at them, you can tell that the surface area of cooling is much greater, and the thickness of the coolers is much greater as well. All right, guys, now we're all finished up with the AN lines that we did. It took a little while. The customer has an aux cooler in the back as well, so we had to run lines all the way to the back of the truck and to the trans. Now that we're all wrapped up with getting the lines done, we're gonna get the intercooler back in and get this truck on the road. Oh. Now that we're all wrapped up getting this Mishimoto cooler installed and the AN lines done, it should help keep his trans temps down. We got some other services we need to get done on this truck, so we'll get those done and get it back to the customer.